We are going to have a trade review weekly recap on July week 4. Okay, let's start. We had 4 active days, 2021, 22, and 24. Let's go and see 2020. As you can see, this is the Monday, 20 July, no news. We can see the Euro USD. This is how the daily looks. We have clean breakup structure, retrace back to this daily bearish order block, taking a lot of this liquidity. That is a consolidation high. Manipulation ended, and right now is in distribution phase. Once we go to the 1 hour time frame, as you can see, we have market structure shift, liquidity sweep, breakup structure, and 1 hour order block. It is created, and right now we have 1 hour bearish liquidity sweep, and then coming back, changing the state of delivery, respecting that, and moving to the downside. Whereas the target is this 1 hour swing low. That is really obvious to the everybody will go by going long in here. Risk 0.5% because account is under 0.5%. This week I have an update to my strategy because of my backtest on this strategy that I did only trading Euro and GBP. Just taking what this strategy gives without watching the XY. Yeah, this was a change that I did, and still I'm on it. I'm happy about that because the XY itself creates more filters for myself that prevent me to do not take my own setup even they appear in one pair, but because the XY is not good, I did not take them. This was the result of that. Result $100, account balance negative 5.2%. It was a great trade. We have +2 or this week. For the 21st July, it is Tuesday. We have a news on GBP 2 a.m. London session, climate count change on Euro USD. We have daily continuation of the yesterday, daily no change. We have inside the 1 hour retrace back to the 1 hour bearish fair value gap, creating change in the set of delivery, breaking 1 hour previous swing low. That is market structure shift. Risk 1%, balance negative 5.2%. We have the daily price is in a good condition, ready for the expansion. Just retrace to the daily bearish order block. As you can see, this is the result break even because price went until 1.7R, and I didn't want to lose at this position. And if my stop to break even, it just got me out of the market. And then you can see I should set a rule for myself to run my stop always or don't touch my stop at all. This was something that, this was how this trade went. Okay, +2 or negative, +2 or and 1 break even. 22nd July, we have the news on CPI, GBP London session. We have a trade on Euro USD again. We have the daily prices in a good condition, ready for the expansion. Just retrace to the daily bearish order block. As you can see, after manipulation, we have changed in the state of delivery that this big candle, bullish candle is. Today's power of 3 is really clear. As you can see now, working bottom just created the daily Euro swing, and then only will expand lower to the targets. As you can see, there is no wick to the bottom, and this is how a bearish candle forms. And this is the continuation of the previous trade that I took, and it was a break even. I just continue at taking shorts on that as well. We have breakup structure of the order block in here, and then liquidity sweep on the lower time frame, changing the state of delivery and entry. And this is the result negative $100, balance negative 6.3%. As you can see, this is how it went. Okay, 1 win, break even, 1 loss. I am at +1 or 24th July. Euro USD, that is Friday. We have the daily, we have breakup structure, we have the daily bearish order block, we have the retracement back to it. We are ready to have a strong bearish candle, take these, draw on liquidity. As you can see, we have this in 1 hour market structure shift, 1 hour bearish order block that created our entry. I'm just taking 1 hour because I don't want to get stopped out again. And unfortunately, it was held throughout the weekend, and as a result, in Monday, after weekly opening candle, we had a result of negative $100, account negative 7.3%. This is how it went. Okay, for the week 4, this is how was that. Okay, this is my calendar on my FTMO challenge phase 2. This is the week 4 that we had. We had a win on Monday, $98. We had a break even, negative $1. That is break even, and we have a loss, negative $100 Thursday, and we had a loss loss on Friday, that because it closed on Monday, it counted as a Monday trade, but it is for a Friday's trade created this one with this one break even. And week 4 was negative $100, that is negative 1%. Let's go for the week 5 that we had only one trade, $470. Let's see how was that and why the risk of that completely changed. Let's see what happens. 27 July, this is the week 5. As you can see, news, Monday no news, Tuesday no news, Euro USD. This is how the daily looks. Clean breakup structure, consolidation, manipulation. We are in the distribution phase. Price created another breakup structure, retraced back to the daily bearish order block, and we are having equal lows down below in here that we targeted last week. As you can see, we have clear 1 hour market structure shift with a fair value gap and with clean order blocks. The order blocks open is my entry. The reason I increased my risk is here, and yeah, the risk is 2%, and here's the reason why I did it. The reason I increased my risk is here is that I watched a YouTube video about how to pass from challenges, and there was a calculator from Photon Trading that would tell you how much likely with your strategy you will pass the challenge phases, and with my strategy it was 97% with needing only one attempt, and I should look at this like money in and money out. I don't want to put 3 months on a single challenge and finally lose it, and this is the result. That was result of $482, account negative 2.6%, from negative 7.5% to negative 2.6%. That is amazing return, almost plus 5%. Let me show you the calculator that I found from Photon Trading. That was amazing something there. Yeah, and that was for the week 5, about up 5%, and there is no trade for the rest of the week because there was no any condition that we have. Okay, let's talk with statistics. We're going to cloud because I gave my backtest with this strategy on 2023 on 3 pairs, Euro USD, GBP/USD, USD/CHF. Okay, this is the statistics of my backtest combined across all 3 pairs analyzed so far. Pair Euro USD trades 34 wins, 22 losses, 12 win rate, 64.7% net R plus 27.8 R. These are backtests that I give to the cloud. The result of these 3 pairs was plus 82.8 R. That is great. Look at the win rate. This is what I saw about 63.6%, and I used these data and put it in here. A strategy setting win rate, we can put it around 60%. Okay, risk to reward ratio per trade, it is 2. Challenge type 2 phase, challenge fee $72, that is my 10k challenge. Profit target phase 1, that is 8%. Phase 2 5% max drawdown. Phase 1 10 drawdown. Initial funded account, that is $10,000 profit split 80%. Run simulation and the risk is 2%. As you can see, pass rate 98.2%. That is really important. And the next thing that is important is challenge attempts needed. Only one attempt is needed to pass the challenge. Expected cost to fund $72. Trades per successful attempt 10. I don't know what actually this means. Expected trades to get funded 10 trades needed, pass both challenges. Risk of 5+ consecutive failures, change of long losing streak 0%. Expected cost to fund, budget is much to be safe. Okay, break-even analysis. How much money I need to make when I'm funded to get what I spent. 0.9% return on a 10k funded account to recover challenge costs. So what this means that when I get funded, I can take a 2-hour trade, 2% profit, and I will be up around 1% of what I spent on challenges. That will be double my expenses. This was the reason that I increased my risk. Even the challenge attempts needed, even it goes to 2, it is still worth, because we need to lose or win. We don't just want to be stuck between it, just want to get a fast result. As my strategy is in a way that my trade frequency is low, as you can see. On a Euro USD, we are 34 trades in a year. There's people that they trade even 100. When they are day traders, they take 100+ trades on a single pair per year. And this was for the July, and also July finished. We closed the July into negative $276. That is 2.7%. Let's see what happens for the next month, and I'll try to finish or win the next challenge. Let's see what happens. Goodbye for now.